Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we will see another interview question where we will use switch case statement. I will note it out, and the question is we will ask the user to input uh, any number between 1 and 7, and accordingly we will have to print the day of the week. So if the input is 1, then the day should be Monday. If it's 2, then it should be Tuesday, and likewise. And if it's a invalid input, then the system should print a message like please enter valid number. Okay, so let's start with the coding part. For this, let's create a new class and call this as a switch switch case demo. All right. Okay, now first thing, we will have to take inputs from the user. So for that, let's define scanner c equals new scanner system.in. Okay, just import it, and let's say please enter number between 1 and 7. Okay, and let read this number as all right. Now we will have to use switch statement and read this number. And now case 1. Okay, if the input value is 1, then we will have to print as Monday, right? And then break. Similarly, case 2, if the input is 2, then it will be Tuesday. If the input is 3, it should be Wednesday, and so on. It's 4, should be Thursday. For 5, should be Friday. For 6, should be Saturday, and 7 should be Sunday, right? We got all the days, and at last what we will say, default. So if the user enters any input which is not from 1 to 7, then this particular statement will get executed. And here we will say please enter valid number. Okay, that's it. This is the code, and let's run this. Application. Okay, so please enter the number between 1 and 7. Let's say 4, and it's printing Thursday. Let's run it one more time with a with a negative test case. So let's say I enter 10, then it's prompting me, please enter the valid number. So this is the code, guys, and hope this video helps you in your interview preparation. Thanks all, bye.